Now I'm gonna say why we use lists. So we use lists to store like a lot of data, and so with lists we can do a lot of things. Like we can delete stuff from the list, we can add stuff to the list, we can print the entire list so we can find out all the data there. And we can do a lot of cool things with it, and it also is really good because it's not like any regular variable. Hello guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make lists and how to use lists and how to add lists and how to add stuff on lists and how to delete stuff on lists. So first thing, we have to make a new file and we have to save it. I'm going to save it called tutorial 3. So I'm just gonna make a list. So let's name our list first. So say we're just making a list on a birthday party. So I'm just gonna name it birthday underscore list. And then we're just gonna put the names of the people who are attending our birthday party. Say Bob is attending our birthday party. Jack is attending our birthday party, and Rob is attending our birthday party. So say now we want to access Bob. So always in computer language, the first item in a list is always numbered 0, and the second one is 1, and the third one is 2, and so forth. So if we want to access Bob, then we have to print the list name. First we have to put the list name called birthday underscore list, and then we do we put the square brackets again and we put 0. So when we save this and run it, it should print Bob, and as you can see, it prints Bob. So now if we want to delete an item in our list, then what we can do is we can do del, then we can do birthday underscore list, underscore list. Then we can just put the number we want to delete, or the person we want to delete. We don't put their name or like whatever it's inside the quotes. We just put the number. So say we want to delete Rob, so we just put 2 because Bob is 0, Jack is 1, and Rob is 2. And then if we print the birthday list after we delete it, then it should have only Bob and Jack. Save and run, and as you can see, it has only Bob and Jack. So now if we wanna delete and add an item, then what we have to do is just do birthday underscore list dot append. Then we just put just regular parentheses and we put whoever we wanna or whatever we wanna add to the list. Say we want to add Nick to the list. So then we print the birthday list. So it should print Bob, Jack, Robin, Nick. And as you can see, it prints that. So that's all for this video. In the future video, I'll teach you, well, not in the future video, but actually I'll teach you about maps. Okay, so we use lists, and we use maps because it's easier for us like to store like two keys and like a key and a value, and a key is just like a name, or like it can be anything, but it's like in a dictionary the key would be like, if we're looking for a letter, a word, and it starts with the B, then the key would be a B, and then the value would be that word. So in our case, in this video, next I'll be doing an example on how like the name of people coming to of not coming to a birthday party, but we'll do like sports and that. So, but I'm just gonna use a birthday party example here. So, like the key is like the thing, that name that we're gonna use, and the value is if they're coming to the birthday party or no. So as you can see, when we see Bob, we just go to the right and the value says yes. So Bob is coming to our birthday party. We go down and we can see Rob is not coming to Rob is not coming to our birthday party because it says a no for the value. And Nick is not coming to our birthday party because it says no for a value also. But Jack is coming to our birthday party and it says yes for the value. So that's it. Okay, so now I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a map in Python. So first you have to make a new file as always. So, and you can check my other videos to get more detail on how to make a file. I'm just gonna name this tutorial 3 maps and save it to my file. We'll just replace it. Okay. So now let's, I'll teach you how to make a map. So first we have to name the map. So we have to like do, so let's make an example of like a person's name and their favorite sport. So we can just do, favorite, it's short for favorite. And then we put these curly braces thingy, not the regular square braces we use in list. Okay, so then we put Bob, if that's a name. Then we put a colon, and we put 2 quotation marks again. And then we put, like, say he likes soccer. Okay, we have to also always put a comma here after you put the 2. This is called a key and this is called a value in Python language. So after you put a key and the value, you always have to put a comma and then you press enter. And then you can press, let's say Jack. Maybe he likes football. Then comma. Then let's do Rob for our last one. And then we can put a colon, and then we can put tennis, maybe. Then, so if we want to print this, we just do print fave_sports. You have to put the exact name that you get over here, that you made over there. And then we save this, and then we run it. Then you can see it prints all of the names and the sports that correspond to that certain name. Okay, so now if we want to add something to this map, what we have to do is we have to do if you not add something, but like say we want to like find out the favorite sport of Jack, we can just run through this and we can find out this Jack's favorite sport is football. But say we have like 100 people and like 100 different corresponding sports to them, and we're looking for the last person's favorite sport. Well, we're not just gonna keep on going through the list and keep trying to find that name. So what we can do is we can do print the name of the thing, and then now we can put our square brackets. We put this, and then we put the name of that person we want to find, and we save this, and then it'll show football. As you can see, that is the correct answer. It's a nice little thing. So say now we want to like kind of delete something from our list. Then we can just do like, so say we want to delete Jack. So what we can do del, and then we can put the space, and then we can put the square brackets again, and say you want to delete Bob, so we just put his name, and then when we don't put a print sign because we're not printing the delete. And then we have to, if we want to print the list and see if it actually worked, then we can do that. And then when we run the program, it just prints Jack and Rob, and because we deleted Bob. So now, that's all for maps. And if you want to make your own map, you can just I can give you an example for a little activity you can do yourself. Like maybe you can make a map of a list of people maybe in your class or something, just like a few people in your class, and then you can put their, if your friends, your friends really good, then you can just put the name of them and then their favorite subject or something like that. And then you can delete one of the people just for fun to practice the delete, and then you can just print the map. And so that's all for maps, and so thank you for watching.